Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website builder platform. First, identify your ideal users and their specific needs to tailor your platform effectively. Next, select a robust and scalable technology stack that can handle future growth and numerous users. Focus on designing an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making website creation accessible for everyone. Finally, plan for an extensive library of templates and widgets, offering hundreds of design options. Building a successful platform requires several key features. Implement a powerful content management system for easy updates and organization. Ensure responsive design so websites look great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Integrate comprehensive e-commerce capabilities, allowing users to set up online stores effortlessly. Additionally, provide essential SEO tools to help websites rank higher in search engine results, driving more organic traffic. Once Supreme King Zrk hits the field, its power is immense. Upon its successful summon, it destroys all monsters your opponent controls, clearing their board. Furthermore, Zrk is completely unaffected by your opponent's card effects, making it incredibly difficult to remove. You can also place 2 pendulum monsters from your hand, deck, or extra deck into your pendulum zones, setting up further plays or protection for your next turn. The development and launch phase is crucial for success. Start by developing a minimum viable product, or MVP, to test core functionalities with early adopters. Conduct thorough testing and actively gather user feedback to refine your platform before a wider release. Market your platform effectively to your target audience through various channels. Lastly, provide excellent 24/7 customer support and regular updates to ensure user satisfaction and platform longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.